Hello, everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve by factoring using the grouping method. All right, looking at this first example that says 5x squared plus 8x minus 4. First thing you're going to do is multiply your first and last term. So 5 times negative 4 gives me negative 20. And then I'm going to do find two numbers that work. So I'm now going to think what multiplies to equal negative 20, but when I add them, they will equal 8. The two numbers that work are 10 and negative 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write all my terms out. My first term, which is 5x squared. And since my two numbers I have is 10 and negative 2, I'm going to write plus 10x minus 2x. And the last term, which is that minus 4, equal to 0. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and group my terms that have a GCF. So I'm going to group my first two terms and my last two terms. All right. GCF between 5x squared and 10x is going to be 5x. And then when I divide 5x into each term, I will get x, and 10 divided by 5, which is 2, so plus 2. All right, now the GCF between negative 2x minus 4 is going to be negative 2. And then when I divide negative 2 into each one, I'll get x. And negative 4 divided by negative 2 gives me positive 2, equal to 0. All right, looking at what I have, I'm going to then factor out my common factors, which is going to be x plus 2, so that'll go in front. And then whatever I have left over goes in parentheses together, which is 5x minus 2, equal to 0. Now, usually we will be done if we're just factoring, but since we have to solve, now we're going to set each factor equal to 0 and then solve for x. So my x plus 2 equal to 0, I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. So my first answer is 2. And then over here, I'm going to add 2 to both sides, which gives me 5x equal to 2, and then divide by 5 on both sides. So then my x will be 2 over 5. So my two answers are 2 and 2 over 5. And that's it.